Why is there something here rather than nothing at all? Have you ever really stopped to consider that question? Was it always just here? Is the universe eternal? Up until about 100 years ago, that's what most scientists believed. Though in 1916, Albert Einstein calculated his theory of general relativity, which showed that the universe is expanding, revealing that it had a beginning. In 1927, Edwin Hubble further confirmed this theory as he was able to view the expanding universe through his telescope, thus proving it indeed had a beginning. How does an expanding universe prove that it had a beginning? Well, picture the universe expanding. As it expands, galaxies grow further and further away from each other, but if you were to reverse that expansion, galaxies grow closer and closer to each other until it reaches a point of infinite density. Scientists call this the singularity. This point literally marks the beginning of the universe. The entire known universe exploded into being from nothing. Not only did matter and energy come into being at this point, but also space and time. Astronomer Fred Hoyle coined this event as the Big Bang. Hundreds of billions of galaxies, all matter, all space, all time, exploding into being from literally nothing. So let's ask that question again. Why is there something here rather than nothing at all? It's simple logic to conclude these three things. We know that all things that begin to exist must have a cause. We now know the universe began to exist, therefore the universe must have a cause. The great question is, what caused the Big Bang? Logic follows that whatever caused the Big Bang must be timeless, spaceless, and immaterial, because there was no time, no space, and no matter prior to the Big Bang. It is also true that whatever caused the Big Bang must be powerful and personal. But why personal? Because things don't just come into being on their own. Something has to choose to cause an object to come to be, which can only be done by personality. So perhaps the better question would be not what caused the Big Bang, but who caused the Big Bang.